I am Katha Vachak and welcome to the realm of Katha. Today's Katha is dedicated to all the father and father figures we all have in our lives. The Katha is about a sculptor who earned his living by selling his statues. He had a son who started helping his father and learning the craft from him from a very young age. Whenever the son made a statue, the father used to praise him but also pointed out a lot of flaws in his statue. The son would happily implement them and try to improve upon his skill. Soon enough, the son's work started getting a lot of recognition and people started paying a lot for his work. But the father didn't stop advising him and pointing out mistakes in his statues. Soon, the son got resentful of the constant nagging but still kept improving on his work. One day, the son couldn't take it anymore and decided to confront his father. Why do you keep nagging me with all these advices? Do you even know at how much price I'm selling these statues for? You don't know anything about the craft. I am not going to take it anymore and please stop advising me. The father felt hurt, but after that he stopped advising the son on his statues. The son was really happy for a few days, but slowly his business started declining. He started losing demand for his statues. He tried to find the root cause, but he was unable to do so. One day, frustrated, he went back to his father and narrated the entire situation to him. The father listened patiently to his son. Then the son asked, "Did you know something like this was going to happen?" "Yes, my son." "Then why did you say anything to me?" "Because you didn't want to listen. I know that I'm not as good a sculptor as you. I know that my advices may not have been beneficial for you. But whenever I pointed out your mistakes, just to prove me wrong, you would try harder to improve your craft. This thirst for satisfaction led you to your success. But the day you stopped thinking that there is a scope of improvement in your work, that is the day you stopped being better. People have come to expect better of you. They have come to expect better statues from you. But the day you stopped trying, that is the day you stopped being better. And that is the day their expectations were defeated and declined your business." Hearing this, the son felt guilty for his behavior towards his father and he apologized to him. He who has the kindest smile but toughest love. He who asks you not to worry, then fights the world. He who might just let you fall but teaches you to get back up. He is Father. I'm lucky to have the blessings of two such personalities in my life. So this was today's Katha. Happy Father's Day to all. Until next time,